So Moto 360 is a new watch designed by Motorola to have the look and feel of a classic wristwatch. So this is entirely stainless steel, this entire thing, and these are like genuine leather bands. Now, one of the design philosophies that has been done is to maximize the area of your viewing, right? And you have like minimal bezel space. So this is a design philosophy that Motorola has brought in, and it's something that we should know about. Now, this has gesture recognition, so like it will always be black usually. But if I like want to see it only, then it basically turns on, right? Now, if you see that there are like, if I wanted to customize some of the watch faces, I basically get customizable watch faces. So there are 6 customizable watch faces suiting the watch faces, with the dials basically, which will complement your this thing. Now, down there are notifications, right? The notifications are basically like anything that keeps coming on your phone, on the Android phone that it is paired with, you would be able to get it. So, somebody friend's birthday, or like you can get your sports cards, or weather alerts. Now, to get your detail, you can actually just swipe left, right, and you would be able to get the details of it. If you want to done with it, you can just swipe it off. So basically, you are done, right? Now, so similarly, like all different cards that you are interested in. Now, one more thing is like it responds to voice. So if you say something, where is Rashtrapati Bhavan? So you should be able to get an answer, and this requires Wi-Fi. So the Wi-Fi connectivity is low, so I don't know if you are going to get the response as fast, but it should basically show it up.
So it will be connected with
With the phone, with the watch.
which version?
So anything 4.3 or above.
Okay.
4.3 and any Android smartphone
And it will be connected via Bluetooth.
via Bluetooth
Okay. And what is the battery life?
all day long.
Okay.
All day long, and there is a wireless charger that is available, and that is like I want to emphasize it is only from Motorola. So if you see, it is like seamless stainless steel. There are no USB ports here and there on that, right? So it is a wristwatch essentially, and then powered by Android Wear. So there is a wireless charging that is going to be available on that. So voice हो गया, and then you आपका there is a pedometer basically to show you कि number of steps आपका कितना in the entire day how many steps you have taken.
So it is fitness tracker.
Fitness tracker also.
So can you show us?
So say for example, show me my steps. It will show you that the number of steps that you have taken in the entire day. Okay, and this is a weekly view of the current weekly view. So you would be able to see for the previous days. Since it's a new watch, so all the other days is 0. The other thing is it will also show you your current heart rate. तो अभी तो मेरा हाथ इतना ऊपर है इतनी देर से कि my heart rate should be bigger, higher. So essentially like this will be a current heart rate that will come. Okay. Now one more thing is there is something called heart activity tracker. So so it is like 30 minutes, healthy minutes is what an average adult should have, right? So 30 healthy minutes, I mean, is like, if you have something based on how much is your activity going on, you should be accumulating one healthy minute and 30 minutes like that, and then you also have the weekly duty. So that's it.
Okay.